Hello! OMG! I've come all the way from Mumbai to Electronic City only to be with each one of you guys. I really want to thank Mr. Pradeep Khadria for giving me this opportunity. Pradeep ji ने मुझे बोला हमारे college आना because and say something, say some words. I want you to motivate everyone. I said motivate का तो पता नहीं, पतली में तो मैं कर सकती हूँ. But it's just super fantastic to be back to college.
You have also played a role of a student, the Padma student in Main Hoon Na. So how is that experience coincidentally as playing a student and you are here with us?
एक मिनट आपके कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिल सकती है? देखो प्रदीप जी जो कह रहे हो अभी पक्का है. Okay, I'm going to be back to campus soon. You want me to say something?
Yeah, of course. Like, how is the experience of playing a student there and being here with students? How does it feel?
It feels the same. I think the best part about being, student means you're learning every single hour, every single minute of your life, actually. And that's what I believe in, even today, after so many years of my career, I had those butterflies in my stomach before I came up on stage.
Yeah.
That's the best part about, wanting to be your best, wanting to do your best. Yeah. So always be a student all your life.
And they are going to be receiving the trophy from your hands for the Student of the Year, right? So Student of the Year, we have got a movie on Student of the Year. So you are here to give it to our best Student of the Year, to the Global Institute of Business Studies. So yes, a very warm welcome. And one more question before we start the Q&A. How have you not aged an inch? You look the same. What is the secret? Kya rahasya hai? We all ladies want to know, man. I have literally grown up watching from Vivaha to Ishq Vishk. I'm that proper 90s kid. I've literally watched, grown.
Didn't debut in the 90s and 80s, dude.
Yeah, but you've done a lot of movies and doesn't she still look the same? What is that secret we want to know from you? क्या है वो secret?
मैं रोज रात को रेफ्रिजरेटर में जाके सो जाती हूँ. I think the secret is just being simple. Simplicity has always been my best accessory.
Let's have a round of applause on this note.
Too much fuss. We're in the Instagram generation, like too much fuss about every single thing.
Yeah.
No.
Right?
No.
Amazing. Okay, so now we'll quickly open the floor for questions. Some students would love to ask you some questions, so we'll have the volunteers here. Yes, with the mic. Yes.
Sure. Hello, ma'am. I'm Ritika. I have to really say that you look really gorgeous today. And my question for you is that, what is that one message that you want to tell to the youth who, especially students, who are currently working very hard to leave a mark in their chosen fields?
Hi Ritika, thank you for the question. When you say student and marks and I would just like to tell all of them that yes, marks are important, numbers are important, but I think what is more important is don't chase the marks. Try to be or understand the best of what you're learning. Because if I have to give you an example, when I go on set and let's say if I have to do a very heavy duty emotional scene, what am I telling myself? Am I telling myself I have to be better than this person? I have to get an award for this scene? No. The focus has to be correct. The correct focus is that I have to live this character and give my emotional best to this character in this moment. So if your focus is correct, everything else will follow. So that's the right focus. Try to be the best and gather the best of what you're learning. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see what the second question is.
Hello ma'am, my name is Mayank. My question to you is, what role has discipline and dedication played in your life? And what suggestions would you give us students, like how can we apply those values in our student lives and personal lives?
Hi Mayank, thank you for the question again. Discipline, dedication, these are all words. But if there is something that I have to give all of you, that I have come all the way here, from my years of experience, I would say that always value the effort put by somebody else for you. You know, there is one thing, your parents do a lot of things for you and you always value that. But apart from your parents, if there is anybody in your journey of success who has, given you that time, effort, dedication, always have that sense of gratitude and that attitude of payback, that I will do something to give back to this person. And years later, you might be more successful than your teacher or your first boss or the person who first gave you the opportunity. But don't forget that. And even if that person is not in that position of power anymore and asks you for help, have that payback sense of gratitude and give, which is something I feel a lot of people are missing out these days. Unka kaam ho gaya khatam. They've moved on. Yeah, that's something very important.
Thank you.
Thank you. We'll take another last question.
Hello Mom, my name is Nikki, and before I ask you a question, I just have to say I had a huge crush on you after watching Main Hoon Na, and I swear to God this was back in COVID time, and I straight up watched all your movies. So thank you for making such beautiful movies.
I'm flattered, thank you.
So my question is, in moments of self-doubt and failure, what kept you going? And what advice would you like to give to the students when they don't feel motivated to do anything in life?
Wow. Nikki, right?
Yes,
Nikki,
ma'am.
that's a wonderful question. So, very quickly, I would like to tell you, hey, there's so much sound. What's going on? A cricket match or something?
It's the backbenchers like us.
So I come from a very, very, very competitive industry, okay, where definition of success is limitless. Okay, definition of success is actually limitless, and everybody's definition of success is different. But I took time to come to this conclusion because I'll give you a very quick incident. I was in that state of my career where, I had done all these Silver Jubilee films and everything, and things were changing. There were actresses who were coming, who were, bringing that hot and sensuous and glamorous thing to the industry. And in the middle of all that confusion of, I want to stick to my kind of roles, I want to stick to my kind of films, I get an offer from none other than Aditya Chopra himself to be an in-house actress, in-house Yaksh Raj actress. I think that for me was a life-changing incident, because that offer came to me, and when I was told that everything will be done for you, everything will be great, you have to surrender in best faith, and we don't show our actresses in a bad way, but you have to be completely uninhibited on screen. That's when I realized that, you know, sometimes you're chasing something, I want this, I want this, I want this, and life suddenly throws that to you. You say, maybe I don't want this. Maybe I don't need this. You know, so that truly changed the definition of success for me. And I would like to tell each one of you that be your own idea of success. Yeah. And there will be moments of failure. It's good to fail. It's good to fail. I think failure teaches you more than success. Yeah. Thank you. I would like to thank you for doing a wonderful job. It's not easy to put up an audience. And lastly, Ritesh ji and the entire family, Goyal family, thank you so much. This is absolutely a wonderful memory for me that I'm going to carry back home. And yeah, I feel like the student of the year already. Thank you.